Want to switch your Samsung Pass autofill to Google or LastPass for quicker password management and enhanced security? I'm here to guide you through the process on your phone. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings. Then, scroll down just a bit. Next, tap on the General Management option. After that, scroll down again. You will now see the option labeled Password, Passkeys, and Autofill. Go ahead and tap on it. Then, tap on Preferred Service. You will be able to see other available autofill services such as Google or LastPass. Choose your preferred service like Google from the list. Finally, confirm your selection by tapping OK. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Until then, stay cool.